Welcome to Top Num Up. Today we're going on a global tour through the world's most iconic pasta and noodle dishes. From creamy classics to bold and spicy street favorites, this is not just Italy's story. It's the world's love affair with pasta. Let's dive into the top 25 pasta dishes that define taste and tradition across the planet. 1. Spaghetti carbonara. Italy, creamy, salty, and rich. Made with eggs, pecorino cheese, guanciale, and pepper, carbonara is a Roman classic with bold, simple flavors. 2. Mac and cheese. USA, the ultimate comfort food. Baked or stovetop, macaroni with creamy cheddar cheese sauce has become an American icon. 3. Ramen. Japan, a noodle soup that's both street food and art form. Broth, noodles, eggs, pork, and seasoning come together in dozens of regional variations. 4. Tagliatelle al ragù. Italy, a slow-cooked meat sauce paired with ribbon-like egg pasta. It's the heart of Bologna's cuisine and far more authentic than spaghetti bolognese. 5. Pesto pasta. Italy, fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, parmesan, and olive oil. Simple, green, and aromatic, pesto pasta is Liguria on a plate. 6. Soba noodles. Japan, thin, buckwheat noodles served hot or cold, often dipped in soy-based sauce. Light, earthy, and full of tradition. 7. Pasta Alfredo, USA, Italy, creamy and indulgent. Though born in Rome, this dish became legendary in America with its heavy cream, butter, and Parmesan sauce. 8. Pad Thai. Thailand rice noodles stir-fried with eggs, tofu, peanuts, and tamarind. Sweet, savory, and crunchy. It's Thailand's most famous street noodle. 9. Fettuccine ai funghi. Italy. Pasta ribbons coated in a creamy mushroom sauce, often with garlic, parsley, and white wine. Rustic and elegant. 10. Lo mein. China soft egg noodles tossed in soy sauce, vegetables, and meat. Popular in Chinese takeout, versatile and satisfying. 11. Pasta alla norma. Italy, a Sicilian masterpiece with fried eggplant, tomato sauce, ricotta salata, and basil. Named after the opera, and just as dramatic. 12. Udon. Japan. Thick, chewy wheat noodles served in hot broth. Comforting, simple, and widely loved across Japanese cuisine. 13. Lasagna. Italy. Layered sheets of pasta with ragu, bechamel, and cheese. Baked to golden perfection. A classic Sunday dish in many Italian homes. 14. Spaghetti aglio e olio. Italy, garlic, olive oil, chili, and spaghetti. That's it. A late-night favorite. Minimal ingredients, maximum flavor. 15. Pasta alla vodka. USA, Italy. Tomato, cream, and vodka come together for a silky, slightly spicy sauce. A fusion favorite born in Italian-American kitchens. 16. Japchae, Korea. Glass noodles stir-fried with vegetables, meat, and soy sauce. Sweet, savory, and full of texture. Served hot or cold. 17. Pasta e fagioli. Italy. Pasta and beans in a tomato-based broth. Humble, hearty, and packed with protein. A traditional peasant dish. 18. Pappardelle al cinghiale. Italy, wide egg noodles with wild boar ragu. Gamey, rich, and deeply Tuscan. A regional specialty with ancient roots. 19. Singapore noodles. Singapore fusion. Thin rice noodles tossed with curry powder, shrimp, vegetables, and eggs. A fusion dish that pops with flavor and color. 20. Orecchiette con cime di rapa. Italy. Little ears. Pasta served with bitter turnip greens, anchovies, garlic, and chili. A southern Italian classic from Puglia. 21. Baked ziti. USAA hearty Italian-American casserole. Pasta, tomato sauce, ricotta, mozzarella, baked until golden and bubbling. 22. Mee goreng. Malaysia. Spicy stir-fried egg noodles with shrimp, vegetables, and sweet soy sauce. Street food with attitude. 23. Tallarines verdes. Peruvian green noodles made with spinach, basil, and queso fresco. Inspired by pesto but with a local twist. 24. Tortellini in brodo. Italy. Ring-shaped pasta filled with meat or cheese, served in rich broth. A holiday favorite in Emilia-Romagna. 25. Chow mein. China stir-fried noodles that are crispy, golden, and loaded with vegetables and meat. A crunchy classic loved worldwide. From the streets of Bangkok to the kitchens of Rome, pasta takes many forms, but every culture finds comfort in noodles. Which of these 25 dishes have you tried? Which one do you want to taste next? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more culinary countdowns from around the world.